Welcome, let's get started with the task. To make your text more interesting for search engines, you should add your keywords to your text. The more detailed and informative your text is, the better they will be rated by search engines, which has a positive effect on your rankings. Therefore, you should include your keywords in the main text of your page and write a well-structured piece of information which is at least 300 words long. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and choose the subpage for your selected keyword by clicking on the title. Navigate to your text section and click to edit. Enter your optimized text. To add more paragraphs, click on the button. You can add as many new text sections as necessary. The text should include your selected keyword, around 2 to 3 times. If possible, try to integrate these into the initial part of the text. The name of your company should also appear in the text. If you are managing a locally operating company, then you should also include the city name in the body text once and avoid simply listing the keywords. To finish this task, click on Update. Great work! If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.